Guys, so I stopped at my local hobby shop called Rider's Hobby, and I picked up a Traxxas deluxe truck stand, and I picked up some grease for the differentials in my slash, and I also got a new servo saver for my slash. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting the new servo saver on the Traxxas slash right down in there. And the reason why I got another one of these is because I think this part right there, that part is stripping out, kind of on the bottom gear right there. So, and then every time you hit a big jump, it either skips a tooth and then it makes the whole steering kind of wonky. So hopefully this is what's wrong, so hopefully this will fix the problem. If not, I get a new steering servo, so that's another bonus. So the size of the hex you need is right here. So unscrewing that first middle screw in there. This is what the screw should look like right here. Then this white part right here should pop off pretty easily, like this. Next, you want to take this screw off right on that's holding that one on. Take the screw, you have to use one of these tools that you use for your wheels, and you have to put it right on that back nut right there. And you just hold that there and then unscrew the screw, and that's how you get this piece off. These three things should come apart like that, and then this should just look like that. So you want to take this old little gear, whatever it is, off of the steering servo right there. And then you want to use the new one in here. Here's what you get in the bag. You get a servo saver, and then the one extra of these little gear things. Start by putting one of those right back on that metal gear right down there by the steering. So one of these small things are already actually in here, so you get two spares. So that's pretty nice. And then you just kind of reassemble it, and then after that you put it back on like that. Next you should push that in there, and then put the screw that was in the middle right there back in, and then you're done. Okay, it is installed and it all works. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you thought this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.